Hello everybody, I'm O. Okay, so my channel is called Candace Garden. That's my mom's name. But my real name is Elizabeth. And today I'll be playing Minecraft, which I love the music. And today we're going to be playing that's a server that I love to play. And I'm in my bedroom. This is where I'll be recording my videos every day. So, and my mouse is back working. So I just had to do something with batteries. And today we're going to be playing Bed Wars. Bed Wars. I playing Bed Wars. Meow. Oh. And as you know, I'm a new YouTuber, so subscribe and like and comment down below what you want me to play next. So, teleporter. So, you are playing on Bed Wars. I'm gonna jump into a quick game. I see they already ended their game, so we're gonna be here for a while. And so I'm gonna have my friends come in very soon. Don't you worry, I will be playing alone every video. Like somebody when I have webcam on. So when I have webcam on, I might have somebody next to me. Or so because I'm on webcam. I might have somebody like next to me. Or over here. But don't worry, they'll be watching me record. I do have a sister. I don't have like any brother. I have two brothers. They're dogs. Like my dog BB. That's like a YouTube video. That's my YouTube picture. That's him when he was a baby. It was like 6 weeks old. Oh. Okay, so I'm joined with these guys. Display. Whoa. Okay, I'm trapped. Whoa. Whoa. So my limit, because I'm using Screen-O-Matic, is 15 minutes. And I have like I'm looking right here, because I need to make sure how long I'm doing this. Okay, so where's the buyer? Oh no, I'm stuck in a call. Oh, oh. Ah. Ah. Okay, where's the buyer? Where's the buyer? Oh, buyer here. Weapons. Let's see. Let's go back. I'm gonna armor. I need armor. Okay, we're orange team. Okay, give me some armor. Okay, I need a chest plate. So, how am I gonna get a chest plate? Let's go back. Special items. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, what? You're kidding me. Hi. Okay, I don't have much money to buy. Okay, so 6 out. Okay, I'm really hungry. Okay, let me just get some food. No, wait. I like steak. In Minecraft, not in real life. Plus, I'll be looking at my webcam because it's so cool. Okay, we're gonna start building a bridge soon because we're gonna need some gold. Gold. No. And my next webcam, I might even show you baby. Wait up. Baby. Subscribe. What? Okay. Yeah, goodbye. What? Let's see, because I'm out. Let me bye. Where I can go. I can't. So I want to end it up here, and like, cause I have a problem or something. So I really hope you subscribe and like. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna keep on going. I have a couple more minutes, so I have a couple. I'll do it, but 3 more minutes. Oh. Let's make sure we don't fall. Okay, I get my cap on so I don't fall off the building. So now I finally get the building. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end it there because the server just restarted. So I hope you like and subscribe down below. Goodbye.